What if I told you 90% of people are using AI completely wrong? And that is why your results look average. The shocking truth, your AI doesn't suck, your prompts do. And there is huge difference between how amateurs prompt and how pros get mind-blowing results. For the last 6 months, I have tested every paid prompt enhancer out there. Expensive, hype, all of it. And I literally cancelled over 297 in subscriptions because of one free tool. And the crazy part, almost nobody is using it yet. Meet promptoptimizer.tools, a completely free tool that instantly turns your vague prompts into expert level prompts, boosting your AI result up to 80% in just one click. I'm Saif from DigiWhisper, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use promptoptimizer.tools to get professional AI results every single time. Before you get started, check the link in the pinned comment and video description. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. This is basically the website of Prompt Optimizer. It's very simple and straightforward, no complication here. And this is the history where you will get all of your prompt generation history here. Just click here and you will get history from here. And let's say how to generate a normal prompt to enhance it using Prompt Optimizer. So here I'm giving a normal prompt here. Write a 800-word highly engaging blog post on how to start an online business. So here I can see there are two options. The first option is the prompt for the text generation and the prompt for the image generation. If you want to generate image, you need to click here and it will generate prompt for the image generation AI. And if you need to generate prompt for the text generation AI, you just select the text AI. As this is my text prompt and I want to generate a prompt for my text-based AI, I'm just giving the prompt here and click the optimize my prompt button and see the result. It is processing, it may take 1 minute maximum. Usually it takes 15 to 30 seconds. So see, this is the prompt generated from the prompt optimizer and I can just copy it and use it. Let's say I want to generate a blog post using my ChatGPT free account and just I want to copy it and paste it here and just click here. And now see, it's generated completely high quality content because of my prompt. See, this is the result. And if I want to use the normal prompt, see how ChatGPT generate or response on my normal prompt. You will get the differences. You can compare both of the content, one where I use normal prompt and another where I use an enhanced version of prompt. So this result I got from a normal prompt. So see, this is the content of my normal prompt response by ChatGPT, and this response I got from ChatGPT because of prompt enhancement. So this way you can simply enhance your prompt and it's completely free to use. That's for today. I'm Sai from DigiWhisper, and if you want to start getting pro level AI results instantly, don't forget to check the link in the pinned comment and video description. See you in the next video.